Hi everybody, Colleen here. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to tell you all about massage cupping. I am going to show you the various cups that I use when I do a massage cupping treatment and also talk about some of the different types of treatments that I do. So these cups here are for facial massage cupping, and you'll notice they have a rubber bulb that helps to suck air into the cup, and it's a glass cup that has a tiny little round opening, and each of these cups have a different shape and opening, and that's because they each suction or treat different areas of the face. And for areas that are hard to get to, you've got oblong shapes, or you've got tiny circular shapes, and you've even got a little tiny silicone cup for under the eyes. And great cups to help with decreasing fine lines, with helping to reduce fluid, helping to move fluid if you have any issues with lymphatic buildup and you need some more help with lymphatic drainage. These cups are great. And I like them because if you've got puffiness under the eyes too, they help to gently remove that puffiness. So great cups, love it for facial cupping. These cups here are my lymphatic drainage cups, and these cups suction, and I hope you can see that. They suction the skin and they help to drain lymph to the various lymph nodes in the body after you've done major cupping. With other various cups that we'll talk about later on. And we've got various sizes, and I like these silicone cups because they can fit into areas that a harder plastic cup or glass cup would not be able to get to. These cups are able to mold and shape with the skin. So very great cups. And these are heavy duty silicone cups. I like these, they're very strong. You basically use them by pressing on the cup, and I'm gonna do it on the massage table here for you, and just allowing it to suction the skin or suction the table in this case, and you can see me pulling up on the table, and it basically expands or stretches the skin or helps to decrease or decompress any tissue or muscles or myofascia that have restrictions or tightness. And it's a great way, it's a cheat to a stretch when you use these cups. These cups here are the same, but they have less pressure, so they are not as intense as this cup here, so a little lighter in pressure. Some people need gentler pressure if they've got a lot of issues. They might not be ready for the heavy duty big guns of cups. Now these cups here, they are my biomagnetic cups, and I use a pump with it. This apparatus is the pump, and it attaches to the end of the cup, and it suctions, and it's suctioning the table right now, and it suctions the skin when you place it on the skin. And it does the same thing, it decompresses the tissue. It's like a reverse massage. With regular massage, you'll have compression, or you will have somebody stroking down or pressing down to work out a knot or work out tension. These cups allow you to decompress tissue. Now, you'll notice that some of the cups have magnets in them. This one's got a red one, and this one has a blue one, and this one has no magnet. So we have little tiny magnets here that go into the cups, and that helps with deeper treatment as well. The magnet then attaches to the cup, and we use it to treat the patient. Now, this is a really tiny cup. I love these cups for the feet or for the hands. They get into smaller places. They're not as pliable as a silicone cup. They're hard plastic, but they still get into areas that you wouldn't normally be able to get to with a larger cup. So sometimes somebody might have a carpal tunnel syndrome, let's say, and they have a lot of tightness around the wrist. This cup is great to get into that area, even along the metacarpal bones. If you've got tightness there or tightness in the palm, great cup for that. Same thing with the feet. They get into really small places, so I like those cups. And we do have small silicone cups as well. I shouldn't, dismiss the silicone cups for getting into tight places, because the little ones can also work on areas like the wrist when you've got carpal tunnel syndrome. Now, I forgot to mention my oil. I love using oils with cups because it's a great conduit. It's a great way to allow the cups to glide. You do need something to help the cups glide, and oil is a way to go. My oil has frankincense in it. I've mentioned this before. I like to infuse my oils with frankincense because frankincense is great for anti-inflammation. It's great for pain relief. It's great to calm the skin, to calm the muscles, and it really is very soothing. So I like to use that, but if you don't have oil that's infused with frankincense, then you can always use fractionated coconut oil or olive oil or grapeseed oil. That's a great way to help the cups to glide along the skin, because we do gliding cupping, which I'll show you in another video, and you do want to have something that's going to help it glide smoothly. Now, along to fire cupping, and I love fire cupping. These are my glass cups, and they come in various sizes. I'm showing you two of the various sizes today. And basically what you do is you would light a cotton ball, and my cotton ball has been soaked with alcohol, with rubbing alcohol. And then you would make sure that you have a candle that you light, and once lit, make sure that you've got water so that you can douse your flame. But you light the cotton ball, you insert it into the glass cup, blow out the lit cotton ball, and then you would place it on the skin of the patient. Now, the cup gets warm on the inside, but not so warm that you can't hold it. It's really effective for people that have coldness or dampness in the body, people who have very intense restrictions in the body that traditional cupping has not been able to alleviate the issue. So I love fire cupping for that purpose. The heat and the warmth help to alleviate further issues. And it's simple, it's easy. It doesn't hurt when it's applied to the skin. It actually is very relaxing, and you see the skin actually rise up in the cup. And it's pretty neat. Now, you'll ask me next probably about the marks. There are marks that you will see when you do cupping in some cases, not all. Sometimes you'll see red marks on the skin where treatment has occurred. Let's say it was the shoulder. And that's because there might be a lot of stagnation, there might be a lot of buildup, there might be a lot of lactic acid in that area, uric acid in that area, and you're trying to move that out of the body. And you're moving it through the lymphatic system and through the lymph nodes, and eventually through the blood circulatory system where the body is able to expel it. And these cups are great for that. And you'll see the markings to show that the body's clearing out something that's stagnant, that's been there for a while, that you want to get rid of. And they go away within 2 days to 2 weeks. Sometimes you have no markings at all. So it depends on what's happening in the body and what your body wants to clear or get rid of. And that's cupping for you. So stay tuned for more videos. I hope you like this video. Please like it if you do, and please subscribe. And thanks again for joining me today. Have a great day.